How to prevent someone from taking a screenshot on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to prevent someone from taking the screenshot of your Facebook profile. So let's get started. First, you have to open Facebook with your account. Alright, after you open Facebook with your account, you will get this type of interface. From your at the top left, you'll have to tap on your profile icon. Alright, after you come on your profile section, you'll get this type of interface. From your tap on the option three dot just at the right hand side of that edit profile option. Alright, from the profile setting, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like lock profile. And from your, as usual, you'll have to tap on the option lock your profile. Alright, after you logged your profile on Facebook, the people on Facebook which were not your friends on Facebook, they can take a screenshot of your Facebook profile. So from this way, you can prevent someone from taking a screenshot of your Facebook profile. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.